Welcome to your GK class, class 5, and happy new year to all of you. After a long time we are meeting with each other. So today we are going to, as we are meeting after a long time, so during this time I think many of you have visited a little bit from just not in this particular year, maybe in past you have visited to zoo also, right? So today we are going to discuss little bit about animals, and not only some common animals but its distinct animals, the animals which are not existing, they are not found on the planet earth now at present. We are going to discuss about those. Okay, so first of all, on page number 52 you can see page number 52 and 53. Today we are going to discuss the International Union for Conservation of Nature, that is IUCN in short. The abbreviation is the International Union for Conservation of Nature, regularly publishes the red list of threatened species. What is this threatened species? That means these species, that means these type of animals are told, threatened species means this type of animals are in danger. Very soon, if we are not trying to save them, then they won't be available on this earth. We won't be able to see them on this earth in future. They will also become extinct animal. Okay, so they are called threatened species, and which provides information on the conservation status and distribution of plants, fungi and animals. This is not only particular for the animals but also for particular type of plants and fungi and all those things. Okay, so IUCN has divided the levels of conservation of animals into 7 major categories as follows. So these 7 major categories you can see: EX, EW, CR, EN, VU, NT and LC. That means EX is extinct, already not found on the earth. EX and EW are not found on the earth. Whereas the threatened, that means now we have to be very careful about these species. That is called threatened species, and that is CR, EN, VU and NR is near threatened and LC is least concerned. Okay, so here we can see what are the full form of these words or these abbreviations. That is, EX is extinct, EW is extinct in wild, CR is critically endangered, EN is endangered, VU is vulnerable, okay, and NT is near threatened, whereas LC is least concerned. No one is worried about this particular species, but they are what they are? They are under risk. And DD is data deficient. That means still some data are need to be collected regarding these particular species. And not evaluated, NE, that means they are not being evaluated, still they are not being taken care, or research has not been gone on these particular species whether they are going to exist or not. So these are some of the categories. In zoo garden also, if you go, you will find these type of some of the categories, where some of the places it has been written that near highly threatened or endangered or not evaluated, something like this it has been will be written if the animal is belonging to that particular species. Here is a list of animals that becomes extinct due to cruel human activities. Obviously, animals are getting extinct due to maybe some natural disaster or maybe due to some cruel human activities. But here we are getting the list of animals who are being extinct due to human activities. Okay, cruel human activities like hunting. Match these 6 animals with their pictures and descriptive statements. So these pictures has been given, their names has been given, and little bit description about this animal has also been given. So today we are going to match them particularly. So I would suggest you students that on the first column you have been given name, second column you have been given picture, and in the third column you have been given description. So let us start and match it with first one only, number matching. Let us do it. Okay, so in the name category we are getting the great auk. The great auk. Now which is the picture of the great auk? It's number F here at the bottom, last picture. Okay, here at the bottom last picture is of the great auk. And what is the description about it? The description is at number 5, Roman 5, in the third column, description of 5th number. Okay, that is flightless birds who could not run. It was unable to run. Once found on the shores and islands of northern Europe and North America. So it used to be found at the shores of islands of northern Europe. Just as you know that islands means the land which has been surrounded by water on all the 4 sides. So some of the islands of northern Europe and North America, we used to find this bird which is known as the great auk. So let us match it with like this, that is 1, and here you can match the picture 1F with the description, that is 5. Okay, let us do it in the first column only. Number 1, that is the great auk, and we are going to match with the picture F. Okay, because if you are going to draw the line it will look mess. So F, and then after the description of this particular animal has been given on number 5. Now let us go for number 2, and it is quagga. It's quagga, and quagga is looking like number E. It's a combination of horse and zebra. Okay, number E, it's the animal quagga, and its description has been given in 3. Number 3, Roman 3. Looked like a cross between a horse and a zebra. These animals lived in South Africa until the late 19th century. Up to 19th century, this animal was existing on the earth, but due to human activities, cruel human activities, now we cannot see this beautiful animal which is the cross of horse and zebra. See the picture, how nice it used to look, right? But now, as we cannot see dinosaurs, these are also the animals whom we do not find on the earth along with the dinosaurs. Dinosaurs are very familiar, but these animals are not at all familiar. Okay, so let us join them, that is number 2, and we are going to match it with picture E, and the description has been given, that is Roman 3. Okay, now let us go for number 3. Number 3, we are having dodo. Dodo's picture is D. Dodo is at D, that is the D, this is the picture of dodo. And here the description of dodo has been given on the 6th position, 6th one. That is the great auk and dodo, both are flightless birds. Okay, they were having wings but they cannot fly. Flightless birds found on the Mauritius island in the Indian Ocean. So they used to be found in the Mauritius island. They were hunted to extinction by sailors. They have been hunted that means the last bird was also hunted by the sailors for food. So see, it's the cruelty of human beings, right? So Here comes again number 3, and it's the picture is dodo. That is number D is the picture of dodo. Okay, and the description has been given on 6th position here. Now it comes number 4. Number 4 is Caspian tiger. Now Caspian tigers are also not seen on the earth. Now which is Caspian tiger? We all can understand number C is the Caspian tiger. And what is the speciality of Caspian tiger? Let us see the description. So let us first match number 4 with C. Caspian tiger, picture of Caspian tiger. And now let us go for the description that is on number 1. Roman 1, extinct since the early 1970s. 1970s, it was found in the forest near water throughout central Russia, Afghanistan, Turkey, Iran and Mongolia. It is also known as the Hyrcanian tiger. It was also known as Hyrcanian tiger or the Turan tiger. It was also known as Hyrcanian tiger or Turan tiger. Okay, so this is the description of Caspian tiger, that is number 1. Now we will go for passenger pigeon. Passenger pigeon, and the passenger pigeon's picture is on B. Let us match it. Number 5, here comes the pigeon, and here is number 4. Once the most abundant birds in North America, scientists are trying to bring back these birds by using the DNA of its closest relative, the band-tailed pigeon. Okay, these were the very useful pigeons, and till now, though it has been extinct animal, still scientists are trying to again bring it back. That means to make a new bird with the help of breeding with the DNA of its closest relative. Okay, something again they want to give the rebirth to this pigeon. So it's a very good try, but we should always try to save the creatures when they are present on the earth, right? So here comes number 6. Number 6 is the last one, that is Thalassian or Tasmanian tiger. It is Thalassian or Tasmanian tiger, and the picture is A. It's A. It similarly looks like a dog, right? It is looking like a dog, but its name is Thalassian or Tasmanian tiger, and the description of this one has been given on number 2, that is large carnivorous marsupial native to continental Australia, Tasmania and New Guinea, extinct since 1936. It's a long time this animal has been extinct. So let us match this one, 6 with A, and the description is on 2. So students, these were the details, 6 animals. These were the details, how they extinct, why they extinct, what is the work or activity going on today at present to bring them back. And these were along with the dinosaur. These were along with the dinosaur who were there. Okay, understood? Who are not present on this earth. So I conclude my class over here. Till that time, I will be back with a new video next week. Till that time, bye bye. Take care of yourself.